Welcome to TT's Corner. Today I saw something, and I really like what I saw. I saw Noah Lyles' family showed up at the Olympic Village for Junelle. She was loosening out her locks, and they surrounded her and they were helping her to unlock her hair. And I'm saying, wow, people were bashing this girl and even went as far and said, Noah don't want her. But if Noah don't want her, his family sure love her. And even more, much more, I saw Miss Keisha did her nails, and one hand she did it with the stars and stripes to represent the USA. On the other hand, she had the Jamaican flag. And I'm like, wow, that's dedication. And I am saying, thank you guys for looking out for Junelle. So for all the doubters and the haters who say, oh, no, I don't want Junelle and all these things, eat your heart out. Eat your heart out. And I am saying, I'm talking this with my chest out because that is an outstanding moment.